Hello and welcome to Infinite Tech, the space where we dive into the future of technology and its impact on our daily lives. Here, we unravel the mysteries of emerging technological marvels and explore the frontiers of scientific breakthroughs. Today, we're going to embark on a journey through time, exploring the exciting evolution of transportation. From the silent revolution of electric vehicles to the boundless possibilities of flying taxis, we've got a thrilling ride ahead. So, buckle up and join us on this journey as we traverse the timeline of transportation, from electric vehicles to flying taxis. As we embark on this journey, our first stop is the era of electric vehicles. This quiet revolution began not with a bang, but with a hum that signified the birth of a new era in the automotive industry. The inception of electric vehicles, or EVs as we often call them, was a game changer. It was a bold step towards a greener future. A leap into an era where we could finally break free from our dependence on fossil fuels. The birth of this technology was a statement that we could drive the wheels of progress without leaving a trail of smoke behind us. But this revolution wasn't just about being eco-friendly. It was about redefining what a vehicle could be. With their silent operation, swift acceleration, and low maintenance requirements, EVs began to reshape our expectations of personal transportation. It was a change that was welcomed by many, and as the benefits of these vehicles became more apparent, their popularity soared. People began to embrace the silence of the EVs, the absence of exhaust fumes, and the joy of smooth, instant acceleration. The automotive industry took notice. The rise of electric vehicles sent ripples through the industry. Traditional automakers, initially skeptical, began to invest in electric technologies. New players entered the scene, bringing fresh ideas and innovative designs. The landscape of the automotive industry began to shift as the electric vehicle revolution gained momentum. But perhaps the most significant impact of this revolution is yet to come. As we continue to innovate, to improve, and to dream, the potential of electric vehicles is only just beginning to be realized. They offer a glimpse into a future where our cars are not just tools, but partners in our quest for a cleaner, greener world. Electric vehicles rewrote the rules of personal transportation, setting the stage for more astonishing developments. They marked the beginning of a journey towards a future where the hum of an electric motor is the soundtrack to our travels. As the electric revolution gathered pace, another significant evolution was taking shape: autonomous driving. The idea of self-driving cars that once seemed like a far-fetched science fiction concept is now becoming a reality. It all started with the development of autonomous driving technology. Early pioneers in the field began with simple systems like cruise control and parking assistance. But as technology advanced, so did the capabilities of autonomous vehicles. Companies like Waymo, Tesla, and Uber, to name a few, started testing fully self-driving cars, equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence. These cars could navigate, change lanes, and even park themselves without any human intervention. But it's not just about the technology. Autonomous driving is changing the very fabric of our transportation landscape. Imagine a world where you can read a book, watch a movie, or even take a nap during your commute. Or consider the possibilities for the elderly or disabled who may have difficulty driving. Autonomous vehicles could provide them with newfound freedom and independence. And it's not just about personal transportation. The applications of autonomous driving are far-reaching. In logistics, self-driving trucks could revolutionize the supply chain, making deliveries faster and more efficient. In public transportation, autonomous buses and trams could provide reliable service around the clock. The impact of autonomous driving extends even beyond transportation. It has the potential to reshape our cities and societies. With fewer cars on the road, we could see a reduction in traffic congestion and pollution. Parking lots could be repurposed into parks and public spaces, making our cities greener and more livable. But like any technological revolution, autonomous driving also presents challenges. There are questions about safety, ethics, and job displacement. But as we navigate these issues, we must remember that technology is a tool. It is up to us to use it wisely and responsibly. Autonomous driving not only changed how we drive, but also reshaped our cities and societies. As we move forward, it's exciting to imagine the possibilities and opportunities that lie ahead. While autonomous vehicles were transforming the roads, the Hyperloop was conceived to revolutionize long-distance travel. Imagine a world where you can zip between cities at speeds exceeding those of commercial aircraft, all while sitting comfortably in a capsule that's whizzing through a near-vacuum tube. That's the vision of the Hyperloop, a concept that's as revolutionary as it is audacious. The Hyperloop is a proposed mode of passenger and freight transportation, first used to describe an open-source VAC train design released by a joint team from Tesla and SpaceX. It's essentially a high-speed train in a vacuum tube, but don't let its simplicity fool you. The underlying technology is a marvel of modern engineering. The key to the Hyperloop's incredible speed is its near-vacuum environment. By reducing air resistance, capsules can travel at over 700 miles per hour. That's faster than a commercial jet. Imagine Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes. But speed is just part of the story. The Hyperloop's potential impact on inner-city and international travel is profound. It promises to transform the way we live, work, and play. Commuting between cities could become as common as taking the subway. You could live in one city, work in another, and go out for dinner in a third, all without leaving the ground or dealing with airport security. Moreover, the Hyperloop could have significant environmental benefits. Its capsules are designed to be powered by renewable energy, potentially making it a greener alternative to air travel. It could help us reduce our carbon footprint while still connecting us faster and more efficiently. Of course, there are hurdles to overcome. Cost, safety, and regulatory challenges all stand in the way. But if these can be surmounted, the Hyperloop could be a game changer, a leap forward in transportation technology that shrinks our world in ways we can barely imagine. The Hyperloop promises to shrink our world further, making distance a thing of the past. From the land and underground, we now take to the skies with the advent of flying taxis. The concept may sound like a page torn from a sci-fi novel, but the reality is closer than you might think. Imagine a world where you could hop into a taxi that lifts off and whisks you away above the traffic-congested streets below. The dawn of this revolution has been on the horizon for a while now. Companies like Uber and Airbus have been investing heavily in the development of aerial taxi services, with pilot projects already taking place in cities around the world. These aren't just souped-up drones either. The technology behind flying taxis is a blend of aviation and automotive engineering, with a dash of artificial intelligence. The aim? To create vehicles that are not only capable of vertical takeoff and landing, but also safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Now let's talk about use cases. Flying taxis could serve as an effective solution to the ever-growing problem of urban congestion. Instead of being stuck in traffic, commuters could simply take to the skies, drastically reducing travel times. Imagine going from Manhattan to JFK Airport in just 10 minutes. Or how about a daily commute that feels more like a scenic helicopter tour? But the potential of flying taxis extends beyond mere convenience. They could also play a crucial role in emergency services, providing rapid response in scenarios where every second counts. Picture a world where an ambulance drone can reach a heart attack victim faster than a traditional ambulance, potentially saving countless lives. Of course, there are challenges to overcome, like air traffic control, safety concerns, and regulatory hurdles. But as technology evolves, so does our ability to find solutions to these obstacles. Flying taxis could redefine urban mobility, turning the sky into the next frontier for commuting. As we look to the future, it's clear that the sky is no longer the limit. It's simply the next stage in our journey. Having journeyed from electric vehicles to flying taxis, let's gaze further into the future. As we set our sights on the next 10 years, we might witness a world where autonomous driving is the norm, with roads humming in perfect harmony. Fast forward another decade, and we're looking at cities transformed by Hyperloop systems. Commuting could become a matter of minutes, not hours, as we zip through vacuum tubes at speeds once thought impossible. In 30 years? Perhaps we'll be hailing flying taxis, darting between buildings in a three-dimensional grid. The sky might no longer be a boundary, but a thoroughfare, as we revolutionize not just how we move, but how we design our urban landscapes. This future isn't just about speed or convenience. It's about opening up opportunities, connecting communities, and redefining what's possible. The future of transportation holds promise beyond our imagination, transforming how we live, work, and connect. This brings us to the end of our journey through the evolution of transportation. We've seen the quiet revolution of electric vehicles, the liberating potential of autonomous driving, the blistering speed of the hyperloop, and the limitless promise of flying taxis. As we look ahead, the next 10, 20, and 30 years promise to transform transportation beyond our wildest dreams. Please like and subscribe to Infinite Tech for more exciting and insightful explorations into the future of technology. Until next time, keep imagining the future, because the possibilities are infinite.